Hey y'all, welcome back. This is Kina with SweetGemLife. Today we are unboxing the latest KellofaFan. KellofaFan. It's not a sub box, it's just her latest box. Y'all, I'm so excited. These florals are everything and I cannot wait to get into this. If you're interested in seeing what's in this box, stay tuned. So y'all, so much stuff. I had to start at the top and grab what was at the very top. So we have this keychain, y'all, and I'm here. Y'all know me. I'm always here for florals, okay? And it's the really hard plastic acrylic. We've got the gold toned hardware, and it just has these pretty yellow and white and the greenery in the background. It is double-sided, and so this is the keychain in the box. Next item up are these pen loops. Y'all already know I'm here for this. So these are the pen loops in the box. If I can get into them, I'd love to show y'all. So here are the pen loops. We've got one with the white and the florals here, and then we've got this cream colored, off-white colored one, and it has these gold dots here on it. So these are the pen loops on this gorgeous floral in stripes and floral background. Next up, we've got some sticky notes, y'all. Oh my goodness. And the dark sticky notes are definitely something different. You don't typically see those, period. But here we have the white background with the florals. Again, we've got some black circle sticky notes with the florals on the edges. And then we have this larger one with the black and the gold frame and the florals down in the bottom left corner. So, you know, you guys can pull these off of here and stick them on your today tab or wherever you keep your sticky notes in your planner. These are the sticky notes in the KellofaFan box. Next, y'all, we have two pens. So this one is obviously a white jelly roll pen, and it was put in the box and designed so that you can write on your sticky notes. The black sticky notes, by the way. Ooh, how about you learn how to spell? So, a little bit of smearing. Obviously, you'd probably need to wait for it to dry. But here is the white jelly roll. And then we got this cute black and gold with the crystals in it. It does say KellofaFan. Girl, you need to get it together. Black and gold, as I said, it is ballpoint. And I'm pretty sure it's black ink. But let's not assume. It is black ink. So these are the pens included in this box. Next up, y'all, we have this gorgeous pouch. I think besides the stickers are always my favorite. This might be my second favorite part of the box. This is gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. What am I going to use it for? I have no clue, but it's beautiful and I love it. It's got this white interior. It has the gold hardware. It's lightweight. It's not super heavy. Oh my God. I don't really want to put that in my purse because it's going to be too much. It's super pretty, y'all. So here is the pouch that came in this box. Because I do the most and I'm going to save the stickers for last, let's go ahead and get into this washi, y'all. We got 4 rolls of washi. And I'm kind of excited. Y'all know how I feel about washi. If this is your first time here, I'm so sorry. Y'all, charge it to my heart, my head, not my heart. I just be so excited to get into this stuff. I'll be forgetting that I'm sometimes talking to strangers. My name is Kina. I am the owner-operator of SweetGemLife. Obviously, if you've gone through the videos, you kind of have an idea of who I am. If not, obviously, take the time to go through my videos. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, y'all. I like to do unboxings. I do plan with me's every week. I will soon be getting back to my budget with me's, y'all. My budget has been a complete mess, but we're getting back on track. Anyway, let's get back to this box, okay? So we've got this striped washi. That's pretty. Stay up. Ain't nobody tell you to be extra. And then we have this striped and floral washi. And hopefully I'll be able to find the end so that we can actually get into it. Doesn't look like it's wanting. There we go. There we go. And then we have this black background with the florals. Y'all just rude. Y'all just rude. Stay up. Thank you. And last but not least, we have this thinner white washi with the florals on it. Y'all, this is a stunning mix of florals. Do y'all see that? So pretty. So these are the washi that came in this box. Next up, baby, stickers. It says on the back, I hope you use these stickers in your planner to plan a life you love. XOXO, KellofaFan. So for those of you that follow Heather, you know that's her zhuzh, that's her thing. Plan a life you love. So stick this to the side so we can go through these stickers, y'all. So excited. Okay, so we have these clear. We've got the clear words. We do have a strip of washi down the side. So this is a clear sheet. Ooh. Y'all see the florals in the background of the scripts? I cannot. Okay. So then we have 2 sets of date covers or date stickers. This week's focus, this month's focus, today's top 3, and another strip of washi. Ooh. See, I'm way too excited. I need to get my life together. So here are more clear floral stickers. Another strip of washi. Y'all, this is so pretty. Another sheet of clear stickers. More florals. Another strip of washi here. Ooh. Another sheet. So that we've got 3 total sheets of florals. Boom. And another strip of washi. And then here we have some black boxes. Well, most of them are black. And another strip of washi down the end. And these would be the stickers that you use the white jelly roll on. So here, these are paper. Let me be clear. This next sheet is also paper, but obviously white background, so you would use a black or blue or whatever color ink you'd like. And then we have this long box here. These are regular size boxes, and these are half boxes. Paper. This is also a paper sheet. And then we've got 12. Can we count? Yes, we've got 12 half boxes. Looks like my washi wasn't cut right. Haters. They haters. And this is another paper sheet. We've got checklists. We've got this huge double box. Another box here. Half boxes with the florals in them. And it looks like my washi wasn't cut right on here either. And then the last sheet is also paper. 2 double boxes, regular boxes, and my favorite, the bullet points washi on the side. So let's count how many sticker sheets did we get for this. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 sheets of stickers. Next up, y'all, we got this notepad. So it looks like it's 7 by 9, and if I remember correctly from when Heather went live or did the unboxing, this is designed to fit a classic happy planner. So with that said, I'm not going to say I don't have any use for it. That would be totally inaccurate. But this is pretty gorgeous. I also like that she gave you stickers in the box so that you could create this on any spread. I think the only thing missing is the highlight of the day and the get it done. But either way, you could definitely use these. They're not sticky. You can tear them off, punch them, put them into your classic happy planner or whatever other situation you have going. This is the notepad. Last but not least, y'all, I have developed an appreciation for decorative paper. I have so many paper pads from Michael's and Joann's and Hobby Lobby, and they are sitting around collecting dust because I could never figure out what to do with them. I just would go in the store and be like, oh my god, that's so pretty, and then it never got put to use. Now, different situation. So we've got this vellum, y'all. Let me stick this to the side so y'all can really get a good look at this. Yeah, I guess this is the right side. We've got vellum on, the florals on the top and the bottom, the really thick vellum. Then we have the cardstock. We've got florals on one side, stripes on the other. And then here we've got the florals with the white background on this side, and we've got the gold dots on the other. So this is the paper that came in this box. So y'all, this is the KellofaFan box. If you enjoyed watching this video, please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe to my channel. Thank you for taking the time to watch me unbox this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.